Hi, I'm Monica Moreno of Essence Nutrition and Eat Like Monica, and today we have the Dietitian in the kitchen with my most favorite gadget, the Nutramilk, and we're going to be making my favorite Mindful Indulgence Essence Approved treat, Chocolate Hazelnut Superfood Cacao Spread. What's in it? First off, we have our hazelnuts, and these are full of vitamin B6 and manganese. Manganese is actually implicated in weight control. We also have the Italian organic cold-pressed olive oil. This has tons of omega-3 fatty acids, which can improve your blood lipid profiles. Then we have the cacao powder, the chocolatey medicinal goodness straight out of the Amazon. No sugar, lots of iron and magnesium. To make it sweet, we do need to add a little bit of maple syrup, which does have micronutrients. And if you could also use stevia or monk fruit if you're diabetic, that is fine with me. You gotta give it a little flavor oomph with some Himalayan sea salt and some organic vanilla extract. So next up, you'll see how we churn it all together. So now we're gonna make the Hazelnut Cacao Superfood Spread. First, the hazelnuts. So easy, you do not have to soak them before, which is awesome. Cacao powder, medicinal and delicious. And remember, you can always add a little more, taste it if it doesn't taste right. Bit of vanilla extract. Really can't use too much of that. This is where you wanna be a little more judicious, okay? So just a little, that's all you need. And then of course, the chef, the sea salt. Ready to mix? Something I adore about the Nutramilk and this particular recipe is that you do not have to soak the hazelnuts in water overnight. Now we're gonna sample the gift of what we created. So the last thing I wanted to talk about was the concept of mindful indulgence, and you might be wondering, why did I choose to make a dessert? And that's because as dietitians, it's easy for us to field kind of questions from people that say, oh, should you never have dessert? And we don't really like to live in that black or white. We like to live in the gray with something we call mindful indulgence. Mindful being present, mindful being aware, and indulgence meaning, okay, we're present and aware that we're gonna do something that's a little bit abnormal for us, and it might be a little uncomfortable, but that is okay. I love hazelnut cacao things. This is my jam, literally. So I chose to do something that I was gonna enjoy in a very moderate portion, and that has some healthful and nutrient benefits, but also tastes really good, and it's a little bit indulgent. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm excited to share this recipe with you on my website, essencenutritionmiami.com, with some other Essence approved favorites. Please join me, and remember, dessert is fine.